Hey guys, welcome back once again to our YouTube channel Ships and Ports, where we tell you regarding the shipping information in day-to-day maritime business. Today's news is regarding one of the Japanese freighter struck Korean container ship and breached the engine room. Japanese general cargo ship KINEI MARU No.22 collided with Korean container ship POS Yokohama at around 3 Tokyo time June 18, some 7 nautical miles off Tahara, eastern Honshu, south of Nagoya, Japan. Both ships were sailing in the same direction, POS Yokohama, en route from Yokohama to Yokkaichi. KINEI MARU No.22 en route from Nagasaki. KINEI MARU No.22 struck POS Yokohama starboard in the engine room area. Engine room reportedly suffering water ingress. KINEI MARU No.22 reached Toba under on power and was anchored. POS Yokohama anchored shortly after collision near collision site. Container ship POS Yokohama IMO 916-4603 GWT 10298, capacity 700 TEU, built 1998, flag South Korea, manager Pan Ocean Co. General cargo ship KINEI MARU No.22 IMO 9021356 GW2 1812, built 1992, flag Japan. If you like this information, do share it with your friends. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. If not, please comment to the videos for more such interesting knowledge and